Hey everyone, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be looking at the Happie Scrappie Kit from August 2019. And I have it in the mini Happy Planner. And there's a cute little poo and a little boba cup. And it says honey. And the theme is magic. So grab a snack, come on back. Please make sure you like and you subscribe. Please, please, please. And let's get started. So, I apologize, I haven't been around. I've been so busy. Excuse all the paper opening. And it has just been insane since work has started back up again in September. But I am still here and I am ready to come back and share with you guys all my favorite things. So let's start with the paper, my favorite thing of all. Look at these cute little, oh my gosh, characters, right? They're in little boba cups, little ice cream, rainbow hollow foil. On this side, we have rainbow Mickey Mouse ears. This is perfect for my Disney honeymoon planner. So thank you, Sam. This is perfect. And then you get two of them. So I'm just gonna put the Mickey ears here. Then what we get is, this is insane. I don't know if this is a mistake, but it is a really thick piece of, not acetate, well I guess acetate, right? It's acetate with hollow foil on it, and it is chunky, and it is hollow, and there's the Disney, there's the kingdom, Cinderella's castle, and there's the back. I guess it can go either way, and look at the detail. Can you see that? There is Mickey and Minnie kissing. Oh my gosh. How amazing. So, thank you for that. Then, we got the Magic Kingdom with the same print. Is Mickey and Minnie kissing in this one? No, it's just Mickey's ear. Sorry, gotta focus. And on the inside is Mickey Mouse ears in a rainbow gradient, and it's very galaxy in there. So there's that. And then here is what this looks like. And two more papers. We got some of these vellum, and it's the same print as this, but it is in rainbow hollow foil. Look at that. Wowzers. And then here's the Magic Kingdom. Also, not with Mickey and Minnie kissing, but basically the same print. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Then we get a pen, and here is the logo, the brand, sorry, it's Bon Appetit. And it is, there you go, MG. You can pause the video, you can check it out if you're interested in the pen. And look at the cute little details. Excuse my nails. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. It's like a rubber, it's a rubber grip. And then the pen point is very thin. I love this. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep you in there, and when I'm ready for you, I will use you. So, we got these huge die cut stickers, and they're both the same. Look at this little unicorn, she's so pretty. And then the rest are Disney characters. I don't think that's a Disney character. I could be wrong, I doubt it. I'm pretty good. I know my Disney theme stuff. Okay, and let's look at the paper. This is again perfect for my mini planner, for my honeymoon planner. Rainbow paper. Cardstock, gorgeous, thick, wow. And then on this side, there are the Bobo characters. Love, love, love. And then here is the first layout of some boxes, and then you get line paper, and there's Winnie the Pooh with his little balloon head and his honey, and on the back, I'm pretty sure, oh, she does change it. There's Mickey and Minnie. And the print quality is so good this time. Like, it looks just black, but in person there's actually small details in the black. And then here is a Mickey pretzel, and then on this back we have these characters. I'm not too sure. I think these are her characters. Yeah. I was like, is that Pusheen? But no. And then here we have some Magic Kingdom firework paper. There's Cinderella's castle. Gorgeous. Can't wait to punch it. And these are all the same. Love it. Love, love, love. Alright, next is we got some half boxes and quarter boxes. It's a beautiful pastel. They're fireworks, glimmering silver. Like, it's beautiful. And it's like a matte silver too. This is gorgeous. That print is stunning. Wow. The details, guys. This is my favorite subscription kit. I will never unsubscribe. Okay. Then we get a patch. Oh, what is, it's the Martian, right? It's the Martian from Toy Story? That's right. So we get a patch. Love that. Let me take it, put it here, just so the glare. And then we get a metal pin, and it's Minnie Mouse. How cute is that? How cute is that? It's quite big and thick, so it's perfect. Last but not least, my favorite things are the stickers. So here we have some matte silver and, oh no, these are silver too, and it's on a pastel looking background. And there's the months, and then your little headers. Then we have the Disney font, you guys, the Disney font, and it's in silver. Wow, gorgeous. This beautiful, literally like sky watercolor blue, the purple, the pink. Love these date cover-ups. And then some half boxes and quarter boxes, and they are the characters. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at these date cover-ups. They are perfect, and they are silver. They are silver. Wow. And then here are some, are they half? Whoa, they're so, so tiny. Okay, I don't know if you can take a look, but see that? I don't even know what the measurement would be. They look like they're for your Hobonichi. They are really, really thin. Okay, let me do this so you understand what I'm talking about. Do you see how thin that is? Definitely looking like a Hobonichi kind of cover-ups. And then it says the weekend here. Or they're like, you can use them for your headers, not necessarily for Hobonichi. These Post-its I love. They're Snitch, right? Isn't it Snitch or Switch? Snitch. And then, or Stitch. Stitch is his name. He's not a snitch. He's a, okay, Switch? No, Snitch. Anyways, whatever. And then some Post-its and some fireworks. And then these tabs are super adorbs. I love the Winnie the Pooh, my favorite. And what are these? They're little Mickey Mouse ears. What? Really outdone herself. Sam has done an amazing job, guys. Some, what do you call these? Check boxes? Love it. And then some, oh my gosh, little character stickers. They are so pretty. I don't even think I'd want to use them. I just keep them as a card, and it would look super pretty in my planner. Oh, and last but not least, this is the envelope I got with my order. Pretty great. Here was the little tab, so really nice to see a different envelope. And that is all. I know, right? Can you believe it? That is all, my friends. So thanks so much for watching and coming by. Please make sure you like and subscribe. I love this Happie Scrappie Kit. It is perfect for my, it is so perfect for my honeymoon planner, my mini chunky. I can't wait to show you guys. It's almost done. Sort of like my fall big chunky rings. I'm making my own planner cover and my own back cover as well. And I'm thinking about, I know I maybe shouldn't say this, but I'm thinking about maybe opening a shop and creating my own happy planner covers, because I have the recipe. I finally figured it out. So yeah, Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Have a happy day. Bye!